Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we are discussing how you can make a perfect website out of any using any AI tool, for example, ChatGPT, Claude, or Lovables, whatever you like. So there are two ways to do it. One, simpler way, you just give a prompt and the ChatGPT or any AI tool will give you a straight website. So this is a typical response from any AI tool. If you tell them like I want you to create a website for me, for example, here I written a create a website for a flower shop. So what does that do? It just do thinking all by itself, fonts, the themes and everything, and give you a website out of its own thinking and give you the best website, something like this with the files you can download and then you can host it as per your liking. But the second most best way to do it, the tip and trick here is instead of telling ChatGPT to create a website for you, just tell them create a poster for me. Instead of giving them uh, you just give a prompt like to create a poster for yourself, and then, so now what happens is it will create an image, right? So rather than you relying on ChatGPT design of its own, you actually made a design for yourself. So for example, this is your design. Now it's very easier to edit this picture again and again, and rather than editing the website itself, especially if you are a non-technical person and you are not very much familiar with the environment of coding. So instead of giving a prompt, you actually create a picture of it, and then out of this picture you tell the chat gpt or any AI tool that you're using to create a website around this design. So in this way, the design is already in your mind and you do not have to worry about how the design will come out. This way, the website will come more perfect and in a better way. For example, you just give this prompt, create a website around this design. So it's better and a perfect review. So this was the trick that I constantly use for creating my websites. Hope you like it. Stay tuned. In the next video, we will be discussing how we can actually publish this website once it has been made. Thank you.